dalawa ng incident in campus, pero ang DepEd did not know anything about it. Kasi sabi mo kanina, 0 reports kayo.
Sorry, Mr. I like to clarify that I was in the impression that the question is this school year lang po, prior to
Yung isa, this school year yun, 2026.
February po. So
Yes, okay. Any academic calendar before the Tacloban incident, may incident na ba inside the campus?
marami pong reported na po na mga incident po na
Yes, knowing na marami na yon, especially the last two, yung Feb 2026 sa Calabarzon, Batangas pala, and yung isa sa NCR last year, did that not alert the DepEd na, teka, may nangyayari na. Bakit hindi nagkaroon ng movement? Or nagkaroon ba?
Yes po, kaya nga po nung February po, nag-issue po tayo nung policy, yung SMLE, yung Ensuring Safe and Motivating Environment po. Doon po, dinefine yung mga safety protocols po, Mr. Chair.
Despite that, may nangyaring Tacloban incident.
Yes po.
So saan nagkulang? No, nakuha niyo po, pasensya na po, no? Because maganda yung plano niyo ngayon, moving forward, may reporting mechanism na kayong gagawin. Pero, apparently, meron na palang incidents dati pa na nangyayaring ganito. And yung before this na, at least nalaman namin, baka ang PNP would have more pa, or the LGUs, ay February lang of this year. And then March, last year rin, may nangyari naman saan ba yung last year? Sa Metro Manila, NCR. And then ang inisyu nyo lang, anong Feb or March, is a safety protocol, which apparently either is ineffective or hindi nyo na disseminate sa maraming tao. Hindi alam ng iba.
Well, nag-orient po kami, Mr. Chair, sa mga school heads po natin tungkol sa bagong policy. Standard procedure naman po sa DepEd kapag nag-issue ng policy, nagkakaroon po ng orientation.
Yes. So parang very pero yung sagot kasi pasensya na, pero di kahon eh.